everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting my life together. I don't know if you guys can see my room, but it's kind of a mess. I feel like there's so much stuff I want to do in my head. There's so many things that I want to get done. That's what today's video is going to be about. It's just kind of like decluttering my life, cleaning things, organizing things, and just getting my life together because I look like this. Let's go make breakfast first, and then we will tackle like my to-do list because I have a lot of things I want to do. I just finished eating breakfast and I watched a little bit of TV because there was like an episode I wanted to catch up on White Lotus, and I don't think I like that show. I am going to start cleaning, but I want to do like a little bit of makeup on my face just because I feel like when I do my makeup I'm like more productive for some reason. I know a lot of people can like relate when you get dressed for the day or like you just do a little bit of makeup or do your hair or something. It just makes you feel like more productive. I really just want to like declutter some of my clothes. I feel like I don't wear too many of my things and I want to like start creating like my staple wardrobe. Also, I got a facial recently and we popped all my pimples, so my skin is like purging right now. I've really been loving this. I used it in my past couple of videos. It's the Tula filter primer stuff, and I feel like it just makes your skin look super like naturally glowy. You guys didn't ask for a makeup tutorial, but I'm gonna give you like a mini one just because this is part of my life. Today we're just gonna put on some of this primer from Euphoria. I am gonna put on skin tint today because I actually really like this one. It doesn't cause any breakouts. It actually makes my skin look better when I wear this, so I'm like, might as well put it on. Now we're getting somewhere. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more blush really quick because I like it to be more intense and a little bit more shimmery, so I'm just going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Pinkasm blush. Like, it already looks so much better. I don't know how to explain it. Now we're going to set my face. I'm using the Euphoria skin moisturizing setting spray, and while that's drying I'm just gonna do my lips really quick. This is my favorite lip liner right now. It's from ColourPop. It's in the shade BFF, like a warm tone kind of nude shade. You guys will see it's really pretty. So yeah, just lining them. I like this color because it's super natural and it doesn't look too like crazy. Now we're gonna go in with the Item Beauty lip oil. I am obsessed with this stuff. I only have like a tiny bit left, and that's it for the lips. So I just put on powder. The one that I like to use is this one from Well People. That's my natural makeup look. I like doing this on days when I just want a little bit of makeup on but I don't want too much. So now our makeup's done, we're gonna start doing some decluttering and cleaning because that is like my priority today. This whole area is pretty much clean. I had like the whole thing filled with clothes, so I'm just happy to like actually see my desk. And then we put some of the clean clothes into my closet. Obviously I want to like declutter it, but I'm like, it's such a struggle because I don't know. I feel like I still don't know like what I want to be in my staple wardrobe, so I think I need to figure that out first, then I can like declutter stuff. So I might do that today, kind of do like a Canva thingy for like my closet. I know that sounds crazy, but I don't know, it just helps me a lot. But I'm definitely gonna go through these drawers and just see what I don't wear. Yeah, because I think this is like my workout stuff. These are like shorts, and then I think these are pajamas, and then the bottom drawer is like bathing suits and underwear, and I definitely need to get rid of a bunch of underwear because I just bought some new ones. And then this is the mess we're working with my makeup. It's honestly not messy, it's just like not super organized. I don't know, I can't figure out the best way to organize this, so if anyone has tips, let me know. I think the only thing I need to get rid of is this Fenty foundation. I'll throw these ones away. And then this drawer is pretty much like all new stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw away these for now and let me show you guys the other makeup drawer. Okay, so here's the other makeup drawer. This one is in my sister's room. Pretty much cleared everything out in here, and these are like some plastic bins that I need to use, but this is just like extra random like makeup and skincare and stuff. This one's my favorite drawer because I love Coco Kind. But yeah, it's just like a bunch of skincare, just like extras. I have this lip stain and it keeps spilling everywhere. I don't know what's wrong with it, but this is just some like extra other makeup stuff, like lip glosses, and then there's some sponges back here, random little things. This is just like hair stuff in there. So yeah, that's kind of how I'm organizing my stuff right now. I don't really know the best method, so if anyone has suggestions, let me know. So I just ate breakfast a little bit ago, and I just want to be productive today, get my life together like this video says. Kind of wrote a list down of what I want to do today because I feel like yesterday I wasn't really productive as much as I wanted it to be. So this is what I want to do. I want to go to the grocery store, I want to clean my car, and I want to go through my clothes a little bit more because I feel like I have so much stuff and I could get rid of more things. And I also need to wash my makeup brushes also because I don't think I've done that yet. I'm just gonna take a little shot. This one is from Magic Mind. It's the matcha one, and it has adaptogens and honey in it, so it just helps with like energy and like making you stay focused. I'm gonna be honest and tell you, like, I'm not obsessed with the taste of it because it has all these benefits in it. It's not supposed to taste like, you know, a dessert or a matcha latte or something, which is what I was expecting, but it basically just like helps you stay focused and energized. So I'm gonna take like a baby sip of it. If you guys want to check them out, I will leave a link in the description box, and then also my coupon code if you want to try them. I'm still like getting used to trying like these shots because I've been dealing with like a lot of like stress and anxiety, and I've been feeling very like unmotivated and unproductive. So I feel like this is a good little pick-me-up, but it's not going to do all the work, you know. You gotta like do it yourself, so it just helps boost you a little bit. And yeah, if you want to try them out, I will leave a link in the description box. Let's go be productive. I went ahead and organized my pajama drawer because it was just really bugging me how overflowed and unorganized everything was. So I threw some stuff away, and then this is literally just like long sleeves, short sleeves that I sleep in. So yeah, I have all my tops here, and my closet is all organized, and I'm liking how it's looking. I just need to like clean that little area and kind of go through the little products here. I think it looks really good. I basically kept a lot of clothes, and then all the clothes that I am selling are right here, and then these ones I'm donating. I wanted to clean out my purse, so I have been using this black and white one over 2 years now, so I wanted to, you know, give it a break and upgrade to a new purse. So we got this cute little one, and I feel like she's very simple, but I don't know, she like goes with everything. And I love watching those what's in my purse, what's in my bag aesthetic videos. I watched a bunch of those, and I just put everything in my purse right now. So I found this cute little wallet, and I took out everything that I don't need in here, everything that's old. I checked all my gift card balances and stuff like that, which was really nice to do. So I gotta throw away a lot of things in here. I also put like claw clip, lotion, lip balm, and then right here is like my AirPods and a little baby lip oil. I don't know, I like it a lot. I think it's really cute. So yeah, I just finished doing that. I think I only have to go to the grocery store and wash or clean my car, so let's go do that. I apologize for my fridge first of all, but I just want to show you a couple of things that I got at the grocery store. So I got some bell peppers, I got this hummus, and then I got some gluten-free buns, that yogurt, got some celery, lettuce, and mushrooms. I just got those Honeycrisp apples, and those are the only groceries that I got today. My hair looks so crazy, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to check out Magic Mind. I will leave the link to them in the description box and also the promo code that you guys can use if you want to get a discount off. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you guys in my next video.